It's like I've been sick for a freaking week and it's so fucking annoying. Now I just have no voice and it's like, ah. But hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Family, who don't like a PYT? Hello. A crazy wrong thing. Anyway, Shaba. I've been drinking my lemon tea to try to get a voice back, but it's just not working. So we're just gonna put that over there, and we're just gonna get a makeup tutorial because I have Jaclyn, Huda, Sephora, like different type of products that we are using. I just broke my nail. And clean already. I do have my moisturizer. There's some new things I am using. The Ordinary. This shit is actually really cool. I actually like this. So I'm using underneath my eyes the Caffeine solution. Helps the dark circles, awakens the eye. You know, caffeine is perfect. And then the I don't even know which one this is. This is the Niacinamode. Like 1%. Basically, this goes underneath my moisturizer, and this is the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, because my face has been super dry lately. Java collection, pretty much. This is the pack where you had this and like the gel and like the finito. Like we're already in July. Like this is moving fast. Things ever on sale. See what they're on sale. It's my favorite thing. That looks evil. This is the color Java. Do my lace, Lord have mercy. This, I would say this is what, 2 weeks? This shit's still holding. Girl, I got that pressure, that melt game strong. My shit be staying. I don't want so many already too. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, it's gonna be like, this is kind of a corny story, right? For the first time ever, my other half is going out of town. We've never had a day apart. And I'm gonna fucking bawl my eyes out tonight. I swear to God. Oh my. Let me not, because I'm gonna start crying. Holy shit. Is wait. Okay. I got this. This is gonna be an easy couple days. Fuck. Okay, off. Boom. One brow done. Let's, like, yes, perfect brow day. How? Whoa, look at that, bro. You can't tell me. Look at my freaking brows. They look fucking perfect, bitch. They get their own, like, I'm just gonna use this Morphe's palette with my brows. God. The Morphe's Jaclyn, I cannot talk today. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe's palette, this one is Ring the Alarm. Let my love adore you, you know, baby. So now on the lid, we're gonna use Secret. Secret is this brownish color. So we did Rush, right? And then now we're about to do Alert. Alert is like Alert is this brick kind of orange kind of color. It's Secret and like blend it in my corners. A ColourPop brush. I can't even say the name. Come back with that same brush. I haven't put anything on there. It's the same brush that has leftover on there. Maybe I should put a little bit on there just to bring back some color. It's already moisturized, so I use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I add on top of the nose. I avoid this area for me. Right here, this product is not my friend in that area, in my smile line areas. Morphe's foundation primer, the equalizer. This right here, I use a freaking, not even a pea size, less than that, on my smile line areas, under my nose, and around my mouth area, pretty much. The equalizer and that pretty much just kind of spread out now. Is the Morphe's. I absolutely love this fucking foundation. Like, I don't know what I've been sleeping on, the Fluidity, the full coverage foundation. I'm a matte F3.70. Let's get this. So I use a small amount on my forehead. My forehead is super, super tan compared to anything else on my body. And I don't really like makeup on my forehead like that. Like, it's just my thing. This is a Morphe's M6 brush, like a diffuser brush. So that little dot of, I really put on my brush and come down to my neck, pretty much. Just go right here and go like this. Because I'm, like, for me, foundation on my forehead does not match. Like, my forehead is super, super tan, so so for my concealer, I use the Huda Blondie powder to set my eyes and so forth. And I don't believe I use that much, so this is like pretty much one dip covers for me. This is just for me. So I let this sit like a couple seconds. I have a Morphe's brush, a concealer brush, the M173, but I like to kind of work on one eye, like so. Like, I literally kind of move the product around, right? Jump to the next eye. Hey. Hey. Just you and me. With that brush, now I come in and kind of take the concealer to around, kind of push this back, right? That same foundation brush that we use, we come and we just go over that same area where you see your concealer sit on top of your foundation, and we just blend that out really quick because, you know, it's all about blending. So this is the Huda face bake and blend brush. So this side is what I pack down my under eyes with. Oh. So we bake it. Bake it like. Oh, yeah. This shall be over here. Over here. Contour and, you know, bring. So for my nose contour, I have the Casino and Nars bronzer, and this is a MAC 130 brush, a stiffling brush actually, but I use it as a bronzing, you know, sharp areas, how I like it. So I use that on my nose. Pro face palette, the medium, they just released this, I think like 2 weeks ago. That's when I picked this up. Oh, okay, so yeah, it comes with a face chart, pretty much, like, you can, tells you how to contour, like if you want to do a pro face medium, this is the palette, right? These freaking shades are absolutely gorgeous in here. So we warm the face up. Oh, this is a beautiful fucking yacht that's passing by. Let me show you guys some shit. Hold on. All right, where I'm at now. Now this is a new product, milk, right? We're not finished with the Pro brush. We're gonna come back to that. So this is the milk. I picked this up yesterday. They just released this, but you know what I seen that's coming, and I'm so upset. I gotta wait till freaking August. Pat, Miss Auntie Pat. Oh, this is translucent dark. Packaging is cute. It's milk. But anyways, so she's releasing fucking foundation, like, bitch. So, disclaimer, I don't like this packaging. Let me tell you why. I got nails, bitch. Blur, set, go. Okay, that's cute. If you can see it. Let me touch the camera. Blur, set, glow nails. I don't want to have to break my nail to try to get this shit open. Like right now, like, how the fuck am I supposed to get this open? I can see this already. Like, this is gonna be messy as fuck. Damn it. Oh Lord, at this minute I done fucked up. It comes with a sponge, but I'm not a fan of like sponges like that when I'm trying to set my makeup. My face look disappointing. Look at this. Hold on, you guys. Look. So this can go like deep down. Oh, okay. Hold on. I think I got this. I think. Let's get some hair. Let's see something. The fact that I'm sitting here telling myself, yeah, but forget this shit. Flip this upside down. Shake this bad boy. Go. Set my brows with the Morphe's brow gel. Again, this came with that the pack. Pretty much, if you bought the brow gel pack, they had it together, and I pretty much just combed those up. And what was I doing with my life? Brow gel is the shit. So yeah, we're back on the brow gel wave. Only because, and then let me tell you something too. The fact that I live here in like freaking South Florida, you need this brow gel because bitch, I'd rather my face smell and then my brows still like, stay on fleek pretty much. So yeah, that's important. Also, I gotta do really quick, nothing else. So we're just gonna spray my face now. It's the Rose Gold Skin Mist. I actually really like this product. I didn't think I was, but I actually like this product. I'm trying to think shit. Boom. So now, you know how I was looking kind of crazy earlier? Like, bitch, that's not your color. You gotta look off. Boom. Tell me this is not my color. No matter what. So I kind of go back in with the same brush I use, you know, other side. Just pat that in really quick. I'm trying to think. So this is the House of Lashes Dana. And then I got this Nars Orgasm Lip Oil Infused Lip Tint. This is not the one I wanted, but I'm gonna have to go back and get this one. I'm gonna keep this one regardless, I think. Let me see how it looks. If I don't like it, we're gonna return this bitch. This is not the one I wanted, but see Pat McGrath Labs. She is the queen. So let's. Boom. Yeah, this one. So your ass is a shit. My lip, I'm gonna line it with the MAC cork. Nars. This is not the one I wanted. Oh, this gonna work. Okay, wait. I might like this. Boom. The look finish. So this is the top I got from Zara last night. Don't mind my sweatpants. Sama, watch me live my best thick skin life. Like a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Broke out, gal. Broke out, done. Hey, you can be a that. Hey, hey. Hey, tell me this look don't look good. Like, bro, let me pull up a chair. Like, yo. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know. I guess leave your opinion. If you don't like it, I guess you still leave your opinion regardless because you still won't tell me. But, yeah, this is like basically a get ready with me kind of improv. Hopefully you guys come back again and you want to like, yo, what is she doing? Like, bitch is good. Like, you know?